All right, so let's take a look at how to do example 5, sample 1. The ultimate question is how much can they claim as a medical deduction? So we need to use this part of the Schedule A to figure that out. So our first step is going to be enter the medical and dental expenses on line 1 of Schedule A. So we need to read this section of the text right here. The Robins had medical expenses of $16,325 last year. Their medical insurance covered 80%, and the Robins were responsible for the other 20. So they did not have this as their full medical expenses. The Robinsons only paid 20% of their expenses. Okay, so that means they're going to have to pay 0.2 of $16,325. That was what they had to pay out of pocket. So we're going to multiply 0.2 times 16,325. We get 3,265. That is the amount that we enter on line 1. All right, line 2 says enter, this is the next step, enter the amount from 1040 on line 38. Well, that is your adjusted gross income. That is $117,356. Step 3, calculate line 3. Well, this is what we do for line 3. We multiply line 2 by 10%. So we're going to take 10% of line 2. Well, that's 0.1 of 117,356. We're going to multiply that. So we're going to take 0.1 times 117,356. And we get $11,735.60, which actually rounds to 11,736. And that is what we put on line 3. Line 4 then says to subtract line 3 from line 1 or 0 on line 4. So if line 3 is more than line 1, so line 3 is more than line 1, in this case, yes, so we enter 0. So they can claim, how much can they claim as a medical deduction? $0 is how much they can claim as a medical deduction.